You're not going to believe me, but this simple automation creates mind-blowing Pixar-style documentaries that look like this.
To Mary, a faithful maiden, and Joseph, a dedicated carpenter. This was no ordinary arrival. Angels proclaimed his birth, declaring him the Savior.
First things first, we need to generate a script. You can either ask ChatGPT to generate a 500-word script on a topic, or you can find a popular YouTube video, take this transcript, and ask ChatGPT to summarize or rewrite that story or script. Now, based on the story that we just generated, we're going to get ChatGPT to generate some Pixar-style image prompts that we're going to pass over to Leonardo. Now, we're going to take that story that ChatGPT generated for us, and we're going to pass that over to Luma Labs to create a professional voiceover for us. Now, we just asked ChatGPT to generate a unique voiceover file name, just so I don't get my folders all mixed up. Once the voiceover is generated, we're going to upload that straight to our Dropbox folder. That's not going to be the last time we upload something to Dropbox in this automation. Now, based on our script, ChatGPT is going to give us suggestions of where we should put sound effects in our video. Once it's uploaded to Dropbox, it should look like this. Now we just go to a website that lets us download royalty-free sound effects like Pixar or Pixabay, and we just copy and paste our keywords in and click download. So the next module is simply just asking ChatGPT to generate a unique Google Docs file name, similar to the voiceover. We're just adding those keywords to a Google Docs, and then we're uploading that to Dropbox. So now we want to grab the prompts that we generated earlier in the video. We want to transform it into a JSON format. The reason we want to transform it into JSON is so that we can split it up into individual sentences, so we can do bulk generation with Leonardo. Now we're just iterating through that array, and then we pass it over to Leonardo. Now it's going to take those 9 prompts that we made earlier to generate the images. I just have the height and the width at 1024. For some reason, Leonardo's not letting me generate at 16:9. You can pick whatever width or height you'd like. Just has to be a multiple of 8 and be under 1090 for both aspect ratios. And then we're just downloading those images and uploading them to Dropbox. Once you open up Dropbox, it should look like this. Let's take a listen to our voiceover.
In the small village of Nazareth, nestled among rolling hills, a child named Jesus came into the world, born to Mary, a faithful maiden, and Joseph, a dedicated carpenter.
Grab all of our images, and we want to put each image into Luma Labs accompanied with the prompt. You can find that in Leonardo after the automation runs. It shows all the images that were generated. So we just want to copy the prompt, and then we want to paste the image in like so, and click generate. Complete this for every single image and make sure that you have the prompt in there. It helps give the AI context. By now, Luma Labs should have rendered all of your images into video. Keep in mind that the rendering can take anywhere from 5 minutes to, in some cases, 24 to 26 hours, depending on how busy it is. Once you've rendered those videos, you want to import them to CapCut like so and paste them into your timeline. Now, we're going to add our voiceover and sound effects. Make sure that once you've imported your Luma Labs voiceover, that you cut out the pauses. Subscribe.
Maiden, and Joseph, a dedicated carpenter. This was no ordinary arrival. Angels proclaimed his birth, declaring him the Savior. A radiant light set